In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up personal and round-robin calendars in GoHighLevel. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a team, managing your schedule efficiently is crucial for productivity. A well-organized calendar system ensures that every meeting and appointment fits seamlessly into your workflow, minimizing clashes and maximizing your availability. Let's begin by diving into the GoHighLevel platform and navigating to the Calendars section. Within your GoHighLevel sub-account, head over to Settings and then click on Calendars. It's here that we will create our new calendar. Start by clicking on the Create Calendar button, which will initiate the setup process. Next, we're going to focus on setting up a personal calendar. This is specifically designed for use by a single assigned user, making it perfect for managing individual schedules. Click on the option for Personal Calendar, and let's begin customizing it to meet your needs. You'll first want to configure the basic settings. Begin by entering a clear and descriptive calendar name. Something like Sales Consultation is a good start, especially if that's the purpose of the meetings. Add a brief description to provide additional context. Next, specify the meeting location and appointment duration. For example, if your meetings typically last for 30 minutes and are conducted over Zoom or Google Meet, make sure to connect those platforms here. This integration can save time by automatically creating links for your virtual appointments. After you've configured the basic settings, it's time to assign a user. Navigate to the Team Members or Assigned User section and choose the specific team member who will handle bookings on this calendar. This is vital to ensure that all appointments are appropriately directed to the right person. Now let's move on to setting up availability. This step involves aligning your working days, hours, and time zone with the calendar. You can also set breaks and buffer times to account for time needed between meetings. For instance, you might schedule availability from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, leaving Saturday closed. Buffer times are particularly useful to prevent back-to-back bookings and give you time to prepare for your next meeting. Another crucial step is to connect your external calendar. Syncing with platforms like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook helps prevent double bookings by automatically reflecting the events you've scheduled elsewhere. This keeps all your commitments harmonized across platforms. Finally, after configuring all these settings, save your work and get ready to share your booking link. Copy the booking URL provided and incorporate it into your funnels, websites, email campaigns, and SMS campaigns. This makes it easy for clients or team members to access your calendar and schedule time with you directly. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've set up an efficient personal calendar in GoHighLevel. This system not only streamlines your scheduling process, but also enhances your productivity by minimizing scheduling conflicts. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.